gonna be adding some fried meat into our puff today. This will not only make it unique in its own way, but also would provide great customer user experience. Ordinarily, small chops is usually being served alongside with the meat. But today, the meat will find its way right deep inside our puff. Please keep watching if you wanna see how. Hello, it's Chinedu Vincent from southwestfoodblog.com, and we teach you how to make pastries, snacks, and lunch packs. Subscribe for more valuable food contents ahead. Firstly, let us start with the meat marination process. So I'll be adding a teaspoon of mixed spice and about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoon blend of green pepper, ginger and garlic. So I'll go ahead and mix it to combine. So I'll just add a pinch of salt. Please note that this is 250 grams of meat, and I'll go ahead and mix them to combine. Then place in a refrigerator and allow to marinate for an hour. Let's prepare our puff dough mixture, and over here is 500 grams of flour. Add about 6 tablespoons of sugar, half tablespoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoon of yeast. So I'll go ahead and mix it, and because it is puff, I won't be adding any form of margarine, otherwise it will turn it into buns, and what I need is puff. So don't be in a haste to add margarine, okay? Yeah. I have a warm water that has been heated up to 45 degrees Celsius, so I'll add it and begin to mix bit by bit until a required consistency is achieved. And if you ask me what is the required consistency of a puff mixture, then I would say that it is mixing up to a thick paste level. And if you are still confused, don't worry, I will show you what I mean at the end of my mixing. So here is it. You can see it lighter than a dough but thicker than a paste. Please ensure to maintain this thickness, otherwise you will not get this right. So go ahead and cover and allow to rise up. And once our meat is successfully marinated for an hour, then work on your meat. I want to use a direct frying method, but you can steam the meat or fry or do whatever work for you. As for this recipe, we are trying something different and something nice. Took me some minutes to fry this up to this level, and I'm gonna scoop them out into my rack. Add some little paste of pepper blend into the remaining oil and fry both the meat and the blend together. This will help to provide additional taste and flavor to the meat. I added little water just to loosen up the sauce a bit, and boom, the meat is ready. And once it cools down a bit, I'll use a toothpick to stick the meat. To my hot oil, I'll be adding some onion just for intense flavor. Now let's roll the meat with the paste. Place the paste on the meat and roll it round just like this and drop. Okay, let's try it again. Pick your meat, place your paste on it and gently roll it around in such a way that the paste covers the meat completely, and drop it in your oil. So for the last time, just anything you can do, but make sure that the paste engulf your meat completely, and you can only achieve this when your paste is thick as this. Then scoop as soon as your puff is brown in color. Please ensure not to fry with high heat, otherwise your puff will not be done on the inside. Repeat the process for the rest, and then boom, you can see how easy it is. Yeah, you get the point right now. Yeah, okay, yeah. And once you're done frying, scoop and boom. This is just another way to diversify and being creative with your culinary art, and I tell you, your customers will love it. Now I want you to suggest a name for me for this product in the comment section. Just tell me what you felt like. Someone jokingly said puff puff pie, and I laughed. So I'll remove all the toothpick completely. Yes. You can also choose to leave it so it can serve as a handle to the mouth, but I prefer to remove it just to keep my eaters in suspense of how I come about this lovely product. Just take a good look at this. This is nice. This is so cute. Yummy. It's so nice. So I'm gonna cut it. Wow, look at the meat, and the inside is well done. My goodness, deep inside my sauce, and wham, man, it is something else. Just try the recipe and I'll tell you, you will like it, you will love it. I want to thank you for coming back to watch my video, and all of you who has been leaving me with nice comments. It is a great motivation to me. Thank you so much, and God bless you. And if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. You won't regret it. And if you think that this video is amazing, why don't you give it a like? Smash the like button. It's free of charge. Bye.